Have you ever considered earning some extra cash by taking online surveys? While many people are familiar with this interesting side hustle, the reality of survey earnings is often shrouded in misconceptions. Today, we'll unveil truths about online survey earnings that no one tends to tell you. First, let's address the elephant in the room. How much can you actually earn? Unlike traditional jobs, online surveys won't make you rich. Typically, each survey pays anywhere from a few cents to a couple of dollars, depending on its length, complexity, and the platform you use. Though the work is straightforward and requires minimal effort, it offers modest returns. So, it's essential to set realistic expectations about your earnings potential. Secondly, one critical factor that influences your ability to complete surveys is demographic targeting. Companies conducting surveys are often looking for participants who match specific profiles based on age, gender, location, or even lifestyle. Therefore, not everyone qualifies for every survey. It can be a somewhat selective process, which affects how much you can earn over time. The better you fit the target demographic, the more opportunities you'll have. There's also the issue of time management. Taking surveys can be time-consuming, especially when you factor in that you may not qualify for every survey you start. Patience and diligence are key. It's important to view this as a side gig, something to do in your spare time, rather than a dependable source of income. Lastly, let us not forget about the importance of being aware of scams. Legitimate survey platforms do not ask for upfront fees or personal financial information. Being cautious ensures your online security and helps you make informed decisions. In conclusion, while taking surveys is a straightforward way to make a bit of extra cash, it's crucial to maintain realistic expectations. Be aware of the selection process, manage your time wisely, and remain vigilant against scams. With these insights, now you can navigate the world of online surveys with a clearer understanding of what it truly offers. Follow and subscribe for more side hustle ideas. If you are in need to generate income today, go to www.kill9to5.com.